Hello, everyone. Do you feel nervous when you meet someone new?
I do. My heart beats very fast. I forget my name.
Do not worry, Leo. Today, we will learn how to talk about ourselves.
Will I learn how to introduce myself in English?
Yes, we will learn how to share your name, your job, and your hobbies.
That is amazing. I want to feel confident when I speak.
By the end of this podcast, you will be ready for any conversation.
Let's do it. I am ready to learn.
Welcome to the Core English Podcast. I am Emma.
And I am Leo. We are your English learning partners.
We speak slowly so you can understand every single word.
We love helping you improve your listening and speaking skills.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel right now.
Yes, click the subscribe button and the little bell icon.
And please hit the like button if you enjoy our lessons.
It helps other English learners find our podcast.
Thank you for being part of our global community.
Okay, Emma, how do we start talking about ourselves?
First, we must learn how to give a proper introduction.
Introduction? What does that mean, Emma?
An introduction is when you tell someone who you are.
Oh, so it starts with my name?
Exactly. You can say, "Hi, my name is Emma."
That is easy. Hi, my name is Leo.
Very good. You can also say, "I am Leo."
Is there a difference between those two sentences?
Not really. My name is a bit more formal.
Formal? What does formal mean?
Formal means very polite or serious, like at a job interview.
Ah, I see. So I am Leo is for friends?
Yes, it is casual. We use it at parties or with family.
What do I say after my name?
You should say where you are from. This is very common.
I can say I'm from Pakistan.
Perfect. Or you can say, "I come from Pakistan."
Which one do people use more often?
Most people just say, "I'm from." It is short and simple.
I am from a beautiful city called Islamabad.
That is a great detail. It makes the conversation more interesting.
People always ask me about the weather there.
Yes, people love to talk about the weather.
What is the second step, Emma?
Step 2 is talking about your occupation.
Occupation? What is an occupation?
An occupation is your job or what you do every day.
Oh, so I should say I am a student.
Yes, you can say, "I am a student studying computer science."
That is exactly what I am doing.
It is a very important job. You are learning big things.
I am learning about C++ and Python.
Wow, you are a very smart student, Leo.
Thank you. But what if I have a job?
Then you say, "I work as a," for example, "I work as a teacher."
Can I say I am a teacher?
Yes, both are correct. "I am a teacher" is very common.
What if I don't have a job right now?
You can say, "I am currently looking for a job."
Currently. What does currently mean?
Currently means right now, at this present time.
Okay, I am currently looking for a remote job.
That is perfect. Remote means you work from home.
Yes, I want to work from my house with my computer.
Talking about your job helps people understand your life.
I also want to tell them about what I like to do.
That is step 3, talking about your interests and hobbies.
This is my favorite part of the conversation.
People love to hear about what makes you happy.
I can say I like making YouTube videos.
That is a great hobby. You can also say, "I am interested in history."
Interested? What does interested mean?
Interested means you want to learn more about a topic.
Oh, I am interested in dark psychology and storytelling.
Those are very unique interests, Leo.
Yes, I love making videos about them for my channel.
Using the word passionate is also very good here.
Passionate? What does that word mean?
Passionate means you have very strong feelings of liking something.
I am passionate about creating content. Is that right?
Perfect. It shows that you really love your work.
I am also passionate about learning English.
We can hear that in your voice.
What if I have many hobbies?
You can use a list. Say, "In my free time, I like to."
In my free time, I like to code, watch movies, and walk.
Very good. Simple lists are easy for people to follow.
Emma, can you tell me about yourself now?
Of course. My name is Emma. I'm from London.
London. That is a very big city.
Yes, it is. I am a teacher and a scriptwriter.
Scriptwriter? What is a scriptwriter?
A scriptwriter is a person who writes stories for videos or plays.
Oh, like the words we are saying right now?
Exactly. I write the words so we can teach our friends.
You are a very good scriptwriter, Emma.
Thank you, Leo. In my free time, I love reading and hiking.
Hiking? What does hiking mean?
Hiking is a long walk in nature or on mountains.
That sounds like a lot of exercise.
It is. It makes me feel very calm and healthy.
I want to try hiking one day.
You should. It is very peaceful.
Emma, I have a question.
Yes, Leo. Ask me anything.
Is it okay to talk about my family when I meet someone?
That is a very good question. It depends on the situation.
Situation? What does that mean, Emma?
A situation is the time and place where you are.
So, a party is a different situation than a job interview?
Yes, at a party, it's great to talk about family.
I have a big family with many brothers and sisters,
That is a lovely thing to say at a party.
but not at a job interview.
Usually, no. At an interview, talk about your skills and work.
Okay, so I must choose what to say based on the situation.
Exactly. You are becoming a very smart communicator, Leo.
Communicator? What is a communicator?
A communicator is a person who shares ideas or information clearly.
I want to be a clear English communicator.
You are doing a great job already. You are practicing.
This is fun. I feel less nervous now.
I'm so glad. Remember, it is okay to make mistakes.
Really? Even when I talk about myself?
Yes, if you say the wrong word, just smile and try again.
That makes me feel much better.
Most people are very kind. They want to listen to you.
Now it is time for our favorite part of the show.
Yes, it is time for the word tour.
Let's look at the new words we learned today.
Listen closely, friends. Repeat the words after us.
Word number 1, introduction.
An introduction is when you tell someone who you are.
Word number 2, occupation.
An occupation is your job or what you do for work.
Word number 3, currently.
Currently means right now, at this present time.
Word number 4, interested.
Interested means you want to learn more about something.
Word number 5, passionate.
Passionate means you have very strong feelings of liking something.
Word number 6, hiking.
Hiking is a long walk in nature or on mountains.
Word number 7, situation.
A situation is the time and place where you are.
Word number 8, communicator.
A communicator is a person who shares ideas clearly.
Wow, we learned 8 new words today.
You did a wonderful job, Leo, and so did you, listeners.
My brain feels very full of good English words now.
That is because you are working very hard.
Practice makes perfect.
Now we have a special task for everyone watching.
I love tasks. What should they do?
We want you to practice talking about yourself.
Yes, use the words we learned today.
Here is our question for the comments.
Here is our question. What is your name? Where are you from? And what is your favorite hobby?
Write your answer in the comments below the video.
We really want to meet you and learn about you.
I will read your introductions and give you a heart.
And I will read them too. It is so exciting to meet you.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
You are doing something great for your future.
Learning English opens many doors in the world.
We are very proud of you, friends.
Have a beautiful day and keep speaking.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.